Puppies are out in the snow for about the second time. They've just had pee-pees. They know what to do outdoors. Isn't this fun? It's Ebony and Mookie. Ah, you found a snowball on a tree, a flower. Don't go too far on me now. Come back, you're exploring a little bit too far. Come here. It's the puppies. Come. Come. I know, there's a bird in the tree. No. Come here. Quick. Come. Come here. Come. Come on. Oh, you look so pretty. Come on. Quick. Here. Here. Can you catch a snowball? Come on. Oh, it tastes good. Don't get sick to your tummies from eating snow.